Ay, si guys, tatayain natin si Phil. Phil, come here. Hindi siya naman naintindihan. Gamihan ba? Stay, wait! Yuck! We're going to play bato-bato pick. We're going to play bato-bato pick. Tapos, kung sino yung talo, lalagyan ng nito, like this. Yan, sa face. Example, guys, tatayain natin si Phil. Hindi siya naman naintindihan. So, kagayahin mo lang ako kung ano yung ano ko. Cover up. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick. Oh, yung ano. Like this, or ayan. Oh!
Umiiyak.
Ha? Oh, one more. Sige, one more. Come here. One more game. Okay, one more. No crying. Okay. Go. Sige. Hindi. Give you with good eyes. Okay, ready, set, go. Bato, pick. Oh, wait lang. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick. Wala nung namin. Phil. Put. Wow. One more. No crying. Okay? Bato, pick. Wow! Panalo na naman! Okay. Zero na. Pag niligyan. Pag niligyan mo. Gamihan ba? Bato, pick.
What?
Yan! Wow! Wait lang sa'yo.
Beshi!
Beshi. Okay, ayusin mo yan. Phil. Go. Last round, 3-0. You got 3 points. Bato, pick.
What?
Ha?
What?
Ano ka? Phil, ayusin mo. Ay. Uy.
Uy!
Stay wait. Ay, si Ilay. Ay, si Ilay na. Go. Walang kampi, walang dayaan. Walang dayaan, ha? Okay. Walang dayaan. Bato, pick. Ayan. Walang dayaan. Walang dayaan. Bato, pick. Walang baguhan, ha? Hindi ka tinaturuan. Ito yung hand ko. Yuck! Bato, pick.
Madadaya ka pa.
Isa pa!
Ready, set, go. Bato, pick.
Madadaya kasi natatalo tuloy.
Isa pa!
Game, isa pa.
Bato, pick. Ayan na, tignan mo.
Isa pa.
Tignan mo yun. Go. Ready, set, go. Bato, pick. Sige, walang dayaan, go. Sige, go. Dali pa go. Sige, yan. Tayo. Again. Ready, set, go. Bato, pick. Boom! Panalo si Ilay. Ay, huwag ka mo dahil nagpalagay si kuya mo eh. Ay, si